Hey guys, this is Ali here again. So the last time we were speaking about the system of record, system of engagement, a system of intelligence, and how low-code, no-code sits in the mix of all three to help you as a power user or a business analyst um, innovate with a lot of agility. Now that's the key benefit, like I've always been mentioning, of a low-code, no-code app automation platform that you can have innovation at a high level of agility. Now, the problem with that is that if you don't do the right amount of governance, that agility can actually end up being a chaos. So, as IT, your responsibility is to be able to have the right amount of IT governance around your low code, no code strategy. So, and there are three key reasons for it. The number one reason is the enterprise security. So you don't want everybody in the enterprise building all sorts of different applications and interfaces that can potentially compromise your enterprise security policy or be not compliant with that. So that's number one. You need to make sure that you conduct periodic audits along with your network security um, to just look at all what's being built and being rolled out, whether or not that's compliant to your enterprise-wide security guidelines. Number two is the best practices. So again, you want to make sure that these best practices are being developed and learned, like being developed and being rolled out across the enterprise so that these can be applied in all the different type of apps and portals that are being built. Number three is the reusability part. So within a large enterprise, there might be many different groups across different locations, building and rolling out all these different apps. And they might be just reinventing the wheel. There might be a group that has built something, and the other group is starting out a new project, just building the same thing over again. So as IT, especially at the global IT level, you need to make sure that along with the best practices, there are some reusability aspects that are being taken care of. But the best way to ensure all these three is to have some app templates and portals that you as IT create and make them available through the low-code, no-code platform so that anybody who wants to create something, they can start off with those templates. These could be some pre-built applications and pre-built portal structures, some skeleton applications that they can start off of. Well, the benefit with that is going to be that you're going to make sure that they are compliant to your security. Number two, they're going to be following all the best practices, so people don't have to do any guess games as to what the best practice is or not. They don't even have to go through a lot of documentation. They can just go start off with a template with all the best practices in there. Number three is the usability is already built into those templates, right? So any components, any form templates, any dashboard templates that you can create, people can just start using them off. So it doesn't need to be just the overall application or portal template. It could be different component, and you could template those components, either dashboard or some other forms, etc. That might be helpful for your enterprise to just start off of. I hope that makes sense. And the role of IT is still critical with low code, no code, and they need to make sure that the governance is rock solid. Otherwise, all that agility is going to convert into a chaos in a matter of months, and you're going to be scratching your hair, thinking, why did you even make a decision to go low code, no code? Hope that makes sense. Okay.